was finishing in the UK. कोल यहाँ पे फिनिश हो रहा था यूके में, लेकिन they have found one of the large reserve of what? Petroleum in the North Sea. And at the time UK is what? Exporter of oil. Exporter of oil. It means large reserve. So where is the large reserve? Continental shelf. Understood the importance of continental shelf? And where it is na? और इंडिया के केस में where is the west, which is continental shelf is wider? Western coast. So लोग सोचते हैं कि मुझे ओशियन बॉटम टोपोग्राफी आती है ना? उनको बाद में समझ में आता है कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली में ओशियन बॉटम टोपोग्राफी. सो आई सेड दैट, क्या मैंने बोला? कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ समझ में आ चुका है. व्हाट इज द स्लोप? 0.5 डिग्री एंड ऑल. एवरेज वेट इज 130 किलोमीटर. यस. एंड वेयर द कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ इज वाइडर, एट द एक्टिव और एट द पैसिव? At the passive continental margin, active pe they become narrow. Yes or not? So next point I said that continental or continental shelf pe likh lenge, it is a reserve of large reserve of what? Source of different marine minerals. It is a reserve of large reserve of different marine minerals. So which continental shelf is wider, passive or active? Passive. And where is the large continental shelves? In which part of the ocean? Atlantic Ocean. At the coast of Atlantic. And where it is narrow? Pacific. Where it is narrow? Pacific. Understood it? And then I said that और कहाँ पे था? और बच्चे सोचते हैं कि आप लोगों को भी डिफरेंस जो पढ़े होंगे समझ में आ रहा होगा, पहले आप लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा है और आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो. अंडरस्टूड? आप केवल अभी तक चीजें देखते आए हो, समझते नहीं आए हो. दैट इज क्लियर. So this is the difference you are able to see. I said that. और कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सर ओशियनोग्राफी तो बहुत इजी है सर, we can do. हाँ चलो. So we have been able to see continental shelf, and after that there is a what? Continental slope. Which one I said? Continental slope. So ये continental slope कहाँ स्टार्ट होता है? It starts at the break point of continental shelf. It starts at breaking point, continental shelf breaking point, continental shelf breaking point. Clear? Now again we have to see active continental margin and passive continental margin. In the passive continental margin you will be able to see, like I said, that it is in some kind of 5 degree, 10 degree, 15 degree of slope. Yes or not? 5 degree, 15 degree of slope. But 5 degree, 15, but at active slope has increased. Yes, and that become 25 to 45 degree slopes. So I said that continental slope is more steeper at which? Active, and less steeper. लेकिन इससे पहले देखेंगे what is the depth, and depth can be 200 to 2000 meter. Yes.